Hey everyone, we're here at AAO. I have Diana Day again with us to talk a little bit about the iTero Element Flex scanner.
Great. Thanks for having me again.
No problem.
So what's exciting about the iTero Element Flex scanner is that we are now offering our doctors a choice that they haven't had in the past, and that is portability. So with this scanner, it's a wand-only system. It's a lightweight design, compact footprint, so that you can scan in even the smallest of operatories. In addition to that, it's designed to be able to take in from office to office. So scanning is no longer bound to one location. You have the opportunity as the user to have flexibility and convenience to scan whenever and wherever you'd like. And in addition to that, we have the same speed, reliability, and the same clear imaging that you've come to expect for iTero. And it's a part of the iTero digital platform. So same software features. We have the ability to service both the orthodontic and the restorative workflows, and opportunity to have the same discussions with your patients chairside and have that really great patient visualization.
That's awesome. So I know we're looking at both the wand and the laptop setup here.
Yeah.
Tell me about what the iTero Element Flex scanner actually comes with.
Sure, yeah. So upon purchase, what you'll receive is the iTero Element wand that you would be familiar with already. And it comes with its own custom cradle as well, so freestanding. That's been designed to ensure that it fits snug into its own compartment here. And then it also comes with accessories. So at the moment, you do need to purchase your own laptop, and we have a list of approved laptops that are compatible with the iTero Element Flex system. And those can be found at iTero.com, or you can ask your local sales representative. The one that we're featuring here today is the Lenovo Yoga, and we like to feature this one because of the fact that you can put it into a tablet-like configuration. You can put it into regular laptop mode as well, but this gives a little different viewing and a little edge for your patients.
Awesome. And we also have this carrying case,
Yes.
right? So this also
Yes.
comes with the Flex scanner as well.
It does, absolutely.
Okay.
So this custom carrying case is obviously used when you're walking between offices or driving, even flying. It's been made so that you can make sure that it goes in an overhead compartment. And in addition to that, we have created some custom foam so that it stays safe within your travel experience. Of course, fitting all of the custom components, and then a spot for your laptop, your sleeves, your cables, anything that you would need for your scanning experience.
That's great. It's all in one box.
It is.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Thank you,
All right.
Diana, for
Thank
walking
you.
us through and demoing the scanner.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Exciting times. Thanks.
Thank you.